It's raining cats and dogs this morning. Make a granny square. I've just had the best day. I'm obsessed with it. Happy Monday, welcome back to another weekly vlog. I've just come to the cafe. I've just got some hot chippies, so I'm very excited. It's a bit chilly today. I say it's a bit chilly, but it's like 22 degrees. I'm still trying to get over my fear of vlogging in public. Right now I'm very nervous and I don't like it at all. I am starting to get into Gracie Abrams at the moment, and it came from a video of them at Taylor's place, and they started a fire and they put it out, and just the vibe of the whole video, I just loved it. And the fact that they're kind of friends. I am now listening to Gracie Abrams' new album, Gracie Abrams' new album, and I'm kind of loving it. I'm excited to finally be able to want to listen to new music, if that makes sense. Hello, it is now Tuesday. I didn't film anything yesterday because it was just the most boring day. I was just literally just doing chores. Ziggy, breakfast is done. Yeah, as I was saying, yesterday was just so boring. It was just chores. The men came back to put the windscreen back in the van, so that is all done and perfect. It was just such a mundane day, so I just didn't film anything. But today I'm gonna bake a whole bunch of stuff. So I just went to the shops and got all the ingredients. I have a few sweet treats that I wanna bake, which I'm very excited about. Today is gonna be such a chill day. It's gonna be a fun, creative sort of day. So I've done all the chores, everything is done. And that little basket you can see there, that's got all my little crochet stuff in it. So after I finish baking, I'm probably gonna try some new like crochet patterns and maybe play some video games, and it's just gonna be such a fun day. So I'm very, very excited for today.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laugh's so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. I made macarons earlier and I just had a little taste test and they don't taste great, so I'm not going to bother wasting ingredients on the filling. So this is the inside. It is so airy up the top and it's rock hard, and the pink bit in the middle isn't soft at all, so it's literally just like a big lump of crunch. I did so many of them, so unfortunately I did waste those ingredients, but I'm not going to put it together with cream in the middle because that's a waste of cream.
Most running vests also like $250. Connor's making friends. Size that it was too small, but I don't know whether my fingers have just like adapted to it.
Today is the gloomiest, rainiest day and I absolutely love it. One of the girls that I worked with actually messaged me last night saying like, hey, if you don't want your shift tomorrow, I'm happy to take it. And I'm like, yeah, absolutely go for it. Like, I've got enough work. And now I just get to sit here all day in my cozy little house while it rains outside. This is my perfect day. I have this nice little cozy day off, I thought I would try and learn how to make a granny square. And I'm not doing too well. It's very tricky to me. Part of it looks like the video, but I think I've missed something somewhere. But this is my little attempt at a granny square. That side looks fine, but the side that I'm covering up does not look very fine. It looks very like I've maybe missed a corner, but we're working on it. I really want to make a whole bunch of granny squares and maybe turn it into like a little jumper or maybe like a little bag or something. I think that would be really cute. But I have single crochet down pat. I did actually, I don't know if I've shown you this. I actually did so much in the yellow color just to try and get the hang of it. Look how big this is. I think that is so cool. It's still attached and everything. I was gonna single crochet to see how far one little ball of yarn could go, but I haven't finished it yet and I wanted to start something else. But look how much of this I've done. I'm so proud of myself. Considering I didn't really know how to crochet at the start of this. Oh, hi Cosmo. I didn't really know how to crochet at the start of this, so that's a big achievement for me. But yeah, I think it's gonna take me a while to learn how to do actual stuff with it, but I mean, this side is looking pretty good. And it's so small. It's like half the size of my finger. It's so humbling learning something new. It's just a whole new world that is going to take forever to learn, but I think it will be so much fun because I love doing things with my hands. And I think I also need to figure out how to hold it because the way I'm holding it is very like scrunched. The lady on here is literally holding the hook down here and her fingers are out there and she's like doing that. But whereas I'm like holding this and putting it, so I don't think I know how to hold it properly, but it's always something to learn. You know how I mentioned yesterday how I was getting into making crochet granny squares and this was my first little attempt? Well, it is currently 2 o'clock and it's Thursday today. And I have just hyper fixated on learning this granny square thing and I've made 5. So I think I'm finally getting the hang of it. I love this. I love making these so much. My first one took me 2.5 hours and then the last one I did took me 40 minutes. So I'm definitely improving and obviously like there are some mistakes, like if you look at this, it's definitely not perfect. So this is where I've been today. I've made 5 granny squares. This has been my little setup here. I've just been under the blankets and the dogs have just been sleeping because it has been the coziest, rainiest day again today. And tell me why I love it so much. I love it when it's raining outside and I'm inside and there's just music on in the background. I didn't realize that you can get audiobooks for free on Spotify, like up to a certain number of hours. And as I was looking for music, because I've gone back into just listening to Taylor Swift and I want to be able to listen to more than that because I think it's becoming a problem now. I was searching for some new music and you know, I found that we can listen to audiobooks on Spotify and I found this, I Don't Need Therapy by Tony Lodge. I absolutely love Tony and Ryan, the podcast. So I just thought this would be perfect. And tell me why I'm like halfway through and I've cried 3 times. I don't know what it is. I just love Tony's personality so much and I don't know what it is, but when she's talking about like the stuff that's happened in her life, I feel I'm so invested. I don't know what it is. I just absolutely love it. So yeah, I have 3 hours and 27 minutes left of this, but it's now 2 o'clock and I have been sitting here all day. So I'm gonna get up and do something. I've just had the best day. I couldn't think of a better day. Actually, if Rowan was home and he was just like sitting here doing his own thing, that would be the perfect day. The dog's laying here, a little bit of rain outside. It's just such a good day. So as I've mentioned today, sorry my face is a little bit red. So as I've mentioned today, the rain has just been non-stop and also yesterday as well. And Rowan got caught in the rain today. And he's currently drying his pants, as you can probably hear in the background. Let me show you how he's doing it. Hands free. If that's not clever, I don't know what is. Excellent job. Good morning, happy Friday. It is currently raining cats and dogs this morning. There's a little break, so I'm just gonna film for a sec. I've just dropped Rowan off at work, but there's like an hour until I have to go to work, so I've just pulled up. I'm just gonna do some editing in my car, and this is the start to my little Friday morning. I feel like the last couple of days have just been so calm and relaxing, just learning to crochet with like the rain outside, the pitter patter on the tin roof. It's just been so nice, and now it's gloomy and I'm outside. I don't like being out in the cold, but I like it when it's cold outside and I'm warm inside. I'm just gonna sit here, do some editing till my shift, and then I don't know what we'll get up to for the rest of the day. That's my boring little update for this Friday morning. This is absolutely dreadful lighting, but I was just sitting here editing a little video. I'm just sitting at the beach at the moment, and I look up and I see a head, and I immediately think, oh my goodness, there's a person there. But this is what I see. Oh, I thought he only had one leg, but he has two. He was just tricking me. Oh, he sat down. I'm gonna call this guy Steve, because I feel like he looks like a Steve. Hi Steve. We're just hanging out. Now he's pretending he's only got one leg. Why do seagulls do that? Happy Saturday! It has been raining all week, so we've got a million loads of washing on at the moment. But I want to show you a song that I've been obsessed with. It's a bit of a funny one. It's called My Kink Is Karma by Chappelle Roan. Why have I only just heard of this girl now? It's just such a fun, petty little song, and I'm obsessed with it.
But my kink is watching you.
Oh, I just love it so much.
Using your distress as foreplay.
Hi Cosmo, good morning. Oh, look at you dancing. Okay, boys. You want some pancake? Sit. Sit, stay. Good boys. Success. Oh, perfect.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. afternoon, we lay awake in bed, the glass so loud.
Good morning. I've just finished editing this vlog and I realized I didn't come on to say goodbye, but I thought I would just chat a tiny little bit before I go about how much I love Saturdays. I work on and off during the week. Rowan works full-time during the week and I work on Sundays for the whole day. And Saturday is just the coziest little day, like the only day we have together, and we just have pancakes for breakfast and we hang out with the dogs, we go to the beach. Like, Saturdays are just my favorite day of the week and I wouldn't trade them for the world. Like, I just love my little Saturdays at the moment. I normally start off the day with my repeat song and then Rowan comes out to the kitchen and he's like, okay, enough of this, we're not listening to the same song this morning, which fair enough. And we put on some jazz and I think it's just the coziest little morning routine. And I think the dogs love Saturdays as well, even though after the beach they have to get a wash, which they don't love. Yeah, let me know if you have a favorite day of the week, because Saturday is definitely my favorite. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. Sorry it's a bit short this week. I know I say thanks for watching every single day, but honestly, thank you so much for watching. Like, I'm getting paid from YouTube. Like, that's, if I think about it too much, that's so wild to me. And it's all thanks to you guys, like, watching my videos. Like, if it wasn't for you, I don't know, I'd still be posting these videos, but I think it's just so cool that it's become part of my job. I don't know, I still can't believe it. I just think it's so cool. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Genuinely, like, thank you so much for watching my videos. Like, it makes such a difference. But yeah, I will see you in my vlog next week. Bye.